Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu, and today we've got another Thursday boot unboxing. Look at this huge box out here. If you guys don't know, Thursday Boots makes some really stylish, affordable, and very comfortable boots. You can find different styles for all occasions. This is not sponsored. This is me generally saying how much I love Thursday Boots. And I'm no boot or shoe expert like some of the other YouTubers out there, such as Stradwise or Boot Spy. I'm just a normal guy that loves Thursday Boots and want to share my Thursday experience with you to show you guys what it really looks like out of the box, whether or not you would like it or not, alright? So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Before though, if you guys are not subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down and smashed the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave some comments. It would really mean a lot to me. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's inside this big box. Alright. Gotta wash your hands with these scissors, pretty sharp stuff. Give you guys the first look. Oh, what's inside? It's a huge box. Oh man, look at that. We got two boxes in here. First off, we've got the boot right here. Look at that. And we also got a smaller box. Oh, in here, whoa, look at this. This is a smaller Thursday box with matte black writing on it that says Thursday. Love the box a lot. But today we're gonna be unboxing this boot right here. If you guys wanna see me unbox this sneaker, this over here is the white Premier low tops. If you guys wanna see unboxing and first impression of this one, leave thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. But today we are gonna be having a first impression unboxing of these. These right here are the Diplomat and Arizona Adobe, which is part of their rugged and resilience line of leather. You guys know I definitely love the Arizona Adobe. I've previously done Arizona Adobe Captain first impression, first time wearing it. You guys can watch that video up here. Go ahead and watch that. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Diplomats. And of course we're gonna be wearing this, giving you an on-feet look of the Diplomats. First off, we're gonna be talking about the size. As you guys know, I like to go half size down, just like Thursday says. For sneakers, I wear a size 9, Nike, Adidas. With Thursdays, I go half size down, wear a size 8.5. It fits me perfectly. Let's go ahead and open it. I'll give you guys a first look as usual. Look at that. Ooh, I love their packaging, the attention to detail. Thursday always does a great job with that. Just how pristine and nice. And the boots come well packaged, so when they're shipped, you don't have to worry about damages. It's nicely packaged, no creasing at all. All right, let's go see the other boot. Look at that, just perfect. This is the unboxing experience you want. Oh man. And it always comes with a quality assurance card that looks like this. On the back it just says, Thursday products are handcrafted in small batches, and it makes the material we use and products designed both distinct and beautiful, and it says quality guaranteed by, and someone signs their name, which is proof that that person has come in here before they shipped it out, they've checked the boots, they're in good condition, and then send it out to you. Alright, that's what I love about Thursday. Attention to detail, quality control, very consistent throughout all the Thursday boots I've previously unboxed and reviewed. Let's get this box out of the way so we can start looking at the boots. All right, let's take a look at these Diplomats. Ooh. I've never worn or owned any moctoe boots. So if you guys don't know, before Thursday boots, I've never owned any pair of boots at all. However, I got Thursday boots and I got the Captains for my first boots and I love them. And now I've never owned moctoe boots, and these Thursday boots will be my first moctoe boots. So I just love how Thursday boots are always my first Chelsea boots, my first lace-up boots, and now my first moctoe boots. The first look of the moctoe Diplomat in Arizona Adobe color. I love this rugged and resilience Diplomat. Love the Arizona Adobe, the color, this nice rich brown color. And it's so easy to dress up. You can wear jeans with these, you can wear these to the office, wear them to work, everyday use. Love these Diplomats. Give you guys a 360-degree look. So these boots come with the Vibram Christie outsole. Like I said, I'm no shoe expert, so I don't know much about these outsole. All I know is that these are the industry standards. They're super good quality, so I'm gonna have to go test them out. Another thing that I really love about Thursday boots is that on most of their boots, they have a 360-degree Goodyear welt, which is gonna be really helpful in keeping moisture and water out of these boots. So when it's rainy, you can wear these out and your socks won't get wet. I hate wearing shoes in the rain and my socks getting wet. However, with these, your socks won't get wet. The stitching and attention to detail is spot on. Look at these. Love the Kevlar laces, the eyelets, the hardware, the color, everything about these boots just looks so nice. I really like them. Another big reason why I love Thursday boots so much is because of the price point. So if you're looking at other moctoe boots with this good of a quality with the 360-degree Goodyear welt, it's gonna cost you anywhere from $250 upwards to $300. However, these, the Diplomat, just like most of the other boots, are priced at $199, which is not bad at all. For a good quality, stylish leather boot, it is not bad of a deal. Hope you guys like this first impression and unboxing. Let's go ahead and go outside and put these bad boys on. You guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-feet look of the Diplomat in Arizona Adobe by Thursday Boots. I gotta say, these boots are very easy to style. All I've been wearing, as you saw, was blue jeans, white t-shirt, a brown jacket with these boots, and bam, you are ready to go. Very easy, stylish, and very comfortable. One thing that you wouldn't have really realized until you put your feet in is how great of arch support these boots have. I've previously worn other Thursday boots such as the Legend, Captain, Duke, Cavalier, and they all feel great. However, these boots just feel more support on your feet and very comfortable. I previously never worn Vibram Christie outsoles. However, upon putting my feet on these boots, I was pleasantly surprised at how comfortable these outsoles are, especially with that arch support. I was like, wow, these have some great support. I really like these. But that's gonna be it for my first look and unboxing of these boots. Very stylish, very comfortable. If you guys are looking for a moctoe boot, I would highly suggest Thursday's Diplomat. Stylish, comfortable, and at a very affordable price at $199 using very good leather material, 360-degree Goodyear welt. You cannot go wrong with any of Thursday boots. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys wanna see more Thursday unboxing and reviews, be sure to click them right here. I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I'll see you guys later. Bye.